Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Math with Padindra. In this video, we are discussing about previous jeemains questions in binomial theorem in the concept of rational and irrational terms. We observe that every year one of the questions is going to come from binomial theorem, the concept of number of rational terms and irrational terms. So how to find out? We have a short trick to find irrational terms and rational terms in the given binomial expansion. So first we will discuss about the shortcut formula regarding irrational and rational numbers. So the concept is the number of rational terms in the expansion of a power 1 by l plus b power 1 by k whole power n. So first the given expansion you have to observe and whether it is in this form or not, find out first. After that you write the values of L, K and N. N is the index, the power of the expansion. L and K, this is 1 by L means Lth root of K, Kth root of B, surds which are called surds. So after that the number of rational terms in this expansion when L comma K are factors of N, this is the formula. Step of or greatest integer function of N divided by LCM of L comma K is number of rational terms. Suppose if you want irrational terms, total how many terms are there? N plus 1. In N plus 1 you can subtract these values. You will get irrational terms, dear students. Next, the number of rational terms in this expansion equal to step of n by LCM of L comma K plus 1 when at least one of L and K are factors of n. Suppose n is 100, here L value, K value, this is 5, this is 10, it is that suppose example. So both are factors, at least one of them is factor, that time you can apply this formula. Let us have a discussion the example which is given in the previous JEE exactly I did not remember, but I am going to explain the previous years of JEE questions which are related to irrational and rational. See here, the number of irrational terms in this expansion. First the given expansion is, I am writing 8th root of 5 means 5 power 1 by 8 plus 6th root of 2. So 2 power 1 by 6 whole power 100. Here you have to write the values of n, l and k. So n is equal to 100 clearly. L value is 8 and k value is 6. Next LCM of 8 comma 6 we have to calculate, dear students. So LCM of 8 comma 6 means 8 comma 6 like this we write it. 2 4s are 2 3s are. Again 2 table 2 2s are 2 1s. So not 2 1s as it is we are writing here. So 24 is the LCM. So for this LCM, after that they are asking to find irrational terms. First to get the rational terms, the number of rational terms. The number of rational terms is equal to step of n by LCM of L comma K. Okay, dear students. Step of that is equal to step of n value 100 divided by LCM of L comma K is 24. So 24 times how many step of 24 4s are 98. Point will be there. 24 4s are 96. 4 0. 40 means 24 ones. So after that 6160 will come and so on, not required. So Step of 4.1 is 4. The number of rational terms is 4, but they are asking irrational terms. Therefore, number of irrational terms equal to total number of terms minus rational terms. I hope everyone understands this class. Total number of terms. If it contains 100 terms here, 100 not 101 terms. 101 minus rational terms, what we have? 4. So 101 minus 4, which is equal to 97. It is there in the second option. I hope everyone understands this class. We will move on to another set of examples in this same concept. The next question. Find the number of integral terms in the expansion. Integral terms means number of rational terms. Integral terms means rational terms. Okay, students? So here, first compare with this a power 1 by L plus b power 1 by k whole power n. Here I am writing the values. N is equal to 824 and L is equal to 2 and k is equal to 6. LCM of 2 comma 6 equal to, for 2 comma 6 LCM 2 1s 2 3s, so 3 to 6. Okay, dear students. And one more important thing you observe that 2 comma 6 824 is divisible by 2. That means 824 is factor of 2. Factor of 2. I hope you understand that. At least one of them, either L or K factors means this formula will work out. Therefore, the number of integral terms equal to n by LCM of L comma K, that means 2 comma 6 plus 1. So n value here 8 to 24 divided by LCM is 6 plus 1, which is equal to by 6. How many times? 6 ones. So here 2 is remaining. 22 means 6 3s are 18. So 4 will be there. After 18, 22 minus 18, 4 will come. 6 7s are 42. So again 2 is there. Pointer. 0 means 3 plus 1. So which is equal to step of 137.3 means 137 plus 1. That is equal to 138. So 138 rational numbers, that means integral terms are there. So our answer is 138, dear students. This is given in JEE 2024. I hope everyone understand that. See how many they are asking in the regularly jeemains, these type of questions. The coming question is JEE 2023, dear students. jeemains 2023. The number of integral terms in the expansion of 3 power 1 by 2, 5 power 1 by 4. See here, first recognize the values of n, l, k. N value 680, l value 2 and k value is 4. We know that 680 is the factor of 2. So absolutely either at least one of factors of 2 and 4 is 680. So the number of integral values here, integral terms means rational terms only. So therefore the number of integral terms in the given expansion is, so directly I am writing the formula. Whenever at least for 2, 4 factors of 680 is 2 factors. One of the factors it will be. Even this is also 4 is also factors of this one. So n means what here? 680. Point LCM. LCM of 2, 4 equal to 4. Okay, students. Now 4 1s, 4 7s plus 1. Step of 170 is 170 plus 1. So 170 plus 1, that is 171. The integral terms are there or rational terms are there. 171 out of 681 terms. 171 terms are rational terms. Okay, students, we go on to this question is given in jeemains 2023. If you observe carefully, 24, 23 in the coming days, another questions also are going to tell. So this concept is very important here. That is the reason I am saying. My intention to make this video is, this type of concept is important for regularly we are asking in jeemains. 2004 we have, 2024 we observed that, 2023 also. More questions I am going to explain. We'll move on to the another set of questions. The next question, dear students, it is given in 2021. The number of rational terms in the expansion of. This question is different from the previous problems. Why? Because 4 power 1 by 4 is there. So you can write 4 in terms of 2 powers. So you can write as 2 square. Even here 3 and 5 both are real numbers. In previous problems also like this only. But here we need to change it. So the given expansion is 4 power 1 by 4 plus 5 power 1 by 6 whole power 120. That also can be written as 2 square whole power 1 by 4 plus 5 power 1 by 6 whole power 120. That also can be written as 2 power 2 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2 plus 5 power 1 by 6 whole power 120. So now n is equal to 120. Next L is equal to 2 and K is equal to 6. LCM of 2, 6 is equal to 6 clearly, dear students. And 2, 6 both are factors of 120. At least one of L and K is factor, then the number of rational terms is. Therefore, the number of rational terms. The number of rational terms equal to n by LCM of L, K plus 1, which is equal to n is 120 divided by LCM is 6 plus 1. So 6 20 times it will be step of 20 plus 1, which is equal to 20 plus 1, which is equal to 21 terms are there. So 21 terms are rational in the given expansion. This is a special problem. Keep in mind, dear students, and write it. Suppose here 4 is not there, 3 is there, directly 4, 6 LCM only you can take and LCM will be 24. As it is, you can do it according to the value. Now come to another question here. If n is the number of irrational terms, n is irrational terms. So first, rational terms we need to calculate. Here, n is equal to 60, L is equal to 4 and K is equal to 8. Clearly, LCM of 4, 8 equal to 8. 4, 8, clearly we can do that now. LCM is 8. So now, for 60, at least 4 and 8, one of them is 4 is the factor of 60 only now. But 64 is the factor, 54 is the 60. So factors are there means we can go like this. So the number of rationals, n by LCM of 4, 8 plus 1. So n is 60 divided by 8 plus 1. How many times? 8 7s are 56. 56 means 4 will be there. So 0 if you take it will be 7.5 plus 1. Step of 7 is 7 plus 1 which is equal to 8. 8 is what? Number of rational terms. Total how many terms are there? 61 terms are there. Therefore, n is number of irrational. Rational is 8. So irrational equal to n is equal to total number of terms 61 minus 8. Out of 61, 8 means 53. But they are asking, the question is then n minus 1 is divisible by. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 53 minus 1 which is equal to 52. 52 is divisible by, among the options we need to verify the students. 52 is divisible by 27, no. 28, no. 26, 26 absolutely, 26 2s are divisible by 26. So 26 is our required answer, dear students. We'll move on to another set of questions. Everyone got clarity on this, I think? The next question, dear students. Both the questions are same questions, but the way of asking is different. That is the reason both I am explaining. If the number of integral terms in the expansion of 3 power 1 by 2 plus 5 power 1 by 8 whole power n is 33, then n is, so they are asking. So here, n is equal to n only, and L is equal to 2, K is equal to 8, LCM of 2 comma 8 is equal to 8. So, both 2 comma 8, both factors are there with, both are even numbers only, no? Among the options also all are even numbers. So, 2 also multiple, 8 also multiple, like this all multiples are there. 2 is multiple for all. So, whenever it is a multiple means at least one of them is factor. So, the number of terms is equal to 33 is given now. 1 plus step of n divided by LCM of 2 comma 8. 33 minus 1 equal to step of n divided by LCM is how much? 8. So that implies 32 is equal to step of n by, means n step of n divided by 8. Cross multiply, 32 into 8 is equal to step n. So 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 25, 256 equal to n. Therefore, the value of n is 256. The same question they asked in the different way, in the reverse way. So n value is given, they are asking to find integral solutions. So here n is equal to 256, L is equal to 2 and K is equal to 8. LCM of 2 comma 8 is also equal to 8. Therefore, the number of integral solutions, meaning is number of rational terms. Integral terms only, not solutions in this place. Integral terms means number of rational terms equal to step of n by LCM of 2 comma 8 plus 1. Okay, distance n is 256 by LCM of 2 and 8 is 8 plus 1. Why we are adding plus 1? 2 comma 8, 256 is the factor of 2 absolutely. So that is equal to step of 8 3s are 24, 1 will be there, 32 exactly. Step of 32 is 32 plus 1, that is equal to 33. Therefore, the number of integral values, terms is equal to 33. So both sides, vice versa, it is given in one of the jeemains exam. We will move on to another questions. I will stop there. Yes. The next question. The total number of irrational terms in the expansion of 7 power 1 by 5 plus 3 power 1 by 10 whole power 60. Here, n is equal to 60, L is equal to 5 and K is equal to 10 degrees. So LCM of 5 comma 10 is equal to 10. Next, number of irrational terms. Before the rational terms I want. Rational terms. And 5 is a multiple, 10 is also multiple of 16, or that means factor of 16. So we can write formula n by LCM of L comma K plus 1, dear students. So n means 16 by LCM is 10 plus 1. So 6, so step of 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. These are rational numbers. Therefore, irrational numbers, irrational terms is equal to total number of terms, total number of terms minus rational terms. Rational terms. Total number of terms, so 61, 60 plus 1, n plus 1 terms are there. Minus rational terms are what? 7. 61 minus 7 is 54. It is there in the third option, dear students. I hope you everyone understand. We'll go on to another question and the last question. N is a positive integer, then root 3 plus 1 whole power 2n minus root 3 minus 1 whole power 2n. We can express as a plus b whole power 2n minus a minus b whole power 2n. 2 times of 2n c1 root 3 whole power 2n minus 1, like this, dear students, plus 2n c3 root 3 whole power 2n minus 3, plus and so on. 2 into root 3 terms are there, means it is irrational. Therefore, it is irrational term. So, the answer for the question is irrational terms. Are you able to see it, dear students? I hope everyone understand this video. Especially these are the shortcut formulas to calculate rational and irrational terms from the given binomial expansion. This concept is very useful, and we observe that 2023, 22, 24, 21 also regularly they are asking these type of questions. They may little changes it will be there. So you can expect and prepare thoroughly these concept students, those who are appearing for jeemains 2025. For them, it will be useful, my video. Those who really like this video, please share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Maths with Panindra.